What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And thank goodness enough, I caught my first bass of 2024. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and comment on anything else you would like to see. Let's release this guy. Man, it feels good to be back out here bassing. Don't get me wrong, crappie is all good, you know what I'm saying? But it feels good to be back out here bassing. We got bluebird skies and a nice windy day. The wind is actually blowing across that way, a little bit over into that bank. So with that being said, we just gonna get out here. We finna get to bassing. This wind is not playing today. Not playing. I mean, it is not playing. But this right here is kind of a spawning pocket. Well, one of the spawning places. They mostly spawn along in this pocket here and along that bank over there because it's shallow over there in that bank. So, like on this bank that we're on over, the dam is over there. So, to be honest with you, it sits like a lowland reservoir because the dam is like short and very low. It's low, I mean deep by virtue of this pond, but the dam is actually pretty low. And he caught me not really that far from the bank either. He was probably no more than about 5-10 yards from the bank. I almost got comfortable, and then my mind reminded me of these note ropes. So to be honest with you, if I caught him all the way back here, and this is a spawning pocket, because all this is like really low, right back in here. If I caught him back in there, I need to go back a little ways in every pond. Since it's on my mind, I got to see it while I'm thinking about it. Every pond has, you know what I'm saying, make lake points and secondary points. Every pond has it. It might not be as prevalent as in some ponds and lakes, but it's there. So I need to start working my way back that way towards the dam. And a good rule to follow, which something that I follow, is springtime. I'm supposed to start at the dam and work my way down. But I kind of know that pocket, so. But fall time, you start at the pocket and work your way back out deep. That's my rule of thumb and how I do things. I don't think the swim bait is what's gonna do it today. Might be more of a reaction kind of deal. And it's too windy to try to throw something crawling on the bottom. So let's see what I brought with me, which I might try that during that rig anyway. Hogs and stuff that are right down here in this pocket. But I haven't fished this in a long time. All right. We'll start off with the fluke again because I'll be putting this down as soon as I round that bank. That water pushing too. Time I get it, I can't really, by the time I get a chipmunk, it's over here on the bank. I have to cast out like this. That's gotta be bait fish. I can see them splashing on the water. So I don't know if it's bait fish. I don't even know if it's crappie. It could be crappie, who knows? I've caught crappie with a Ned rig before. But we're gonna put this down. And we're going to throw a net rig. This is the Rattling Net by Google Squad in the Morning Dawn color. Yeah, I'm not gonna even be able to feel a bite, to be honest with you. Not with that wind kicking up like that. It grinched as I was trying to reel it. Oh no! Oh no! Where are you at? Are you still on me? No. Doggone it. So we're at this next pond as promised. You know what I'm saying? We would come to. The wind is blowing dead in my face now, and I mean dead in my face. It used to be where you could drive around over in that area here, but it eroded so bad, so now you can't get over there. But I'm going to be walking around to that spill well, not spill well, but that pump over there, into that pocket and into that point. But I'm going to start at this tree casting, and I'll work my way around. But before that, like I said, I got to get this net rig fixed, so that way I can, like, you know what I'm saying, pick and, you know what I'm saying, choose up under the tree, around that pump, and around over there on that bank. So I'm finna get all that tied on, and I'll be right back with you. I am going to fish that point between both spawning areas, because we're in the early spring, so they will be feeding up. And oh, actually, I could have drove over here. Yeah, I probably should have. You know what? Just in case these cows do come back through, I will drive over here. I'll drive at least to right there, that little area. That way it's not that far for me to run if I got to. I've heard not so good things about cows and how they will, you know what I'm saying, get at you. So I'm going to pull over that way just in case I got to run to get in. But you can see right up in here, and you got a lot of brim beds also right up in here too. But why I said, even though that's the dam, this is actually pretty shallow. We are here. The cows are sitting down. None of them are eating anything, which, you know, back in the day, the old heads would say, if the cows are not eating, the fish are not biting. And I'm just about to believe that, to be honest with you, because most of the times when I fish, if the cows aren't eating, the fish do not bite. Now here, I know I'll get hung up. It has happened many a times. So I gotta be very careful. Well, I decided, let me sit y'all up real quick, like I gotta hurry up and get this fish back into the water. I decided to take a red trap. That's the fish. I decided to give it another try. Let me hurry up and get her back in the water real quick like before. You know what I'm saying? Because she's bleeding pretty good. Come on. Come on, girl. There you go. So it didn't end in a bust, but now this is gonna be the end of the video. Hold the camera on. Now this is gonna be the end of the video. I decided just to give it a shot with the red rattle trap to see if, you know, I could, you know, that same bite. And I did. So now I'm happy with it. I hooked 4, landed 2. I can live with that. So now, what I said at the end. Okay, we're not gonna end the video right now because it looks like they're starting to come alive here in the later hours or the later days. So 2 fish catches back to back like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to fish for a little while longer now, considering the fact I feel a whole lot better about this. Okay, there you go.